Hey, you know what? If you have one of these right here and put some hickory or some apple in it. Did you know that they made electric wood chippers and shredders for the average homeowner? Well, they do, and they sell them on Amazon. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a bag. See, I was thinking about using a bucket of some sort, but it's got a bag. That's nice. You'll see right here, it's got it notched out to what it'll actually take. It's not going to be able to take any more than what the opening is for. You got a power switch right here, off and on. This, it's a push stick. Put that down like that, see there? So let's say you get a jam in it. You're going to turn the switch off right here. You're going to turn this to the unlock position right here. Till it unscrews. Alright, now you can open it up. You can actually get in there to free up the jam. You definitely want it unplugged to do this. And then you'll screw this back in till it stops. Your bag just hooks on like that. Affordable wood chipper shredder. I'm going to give it the fur here in a little bit. See what she'll do. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it if you think it's worth sharing. You've seen the power switches on the back. We're going to flip it on. This thing's kind of loud. Look how clean that cut is right there. That is slick. I like it. It'll be a little handy thing to have in my shed out back. Hey, you know what? If you have one of these right here and put some hickory or some apple in it, oh man, you would never have to buy wood chips for your smoker again. And you know what? I think that's hickory right there. Pretty sure that came off that hickory tree in my backyard.